Wapenzi Squad, welcome back to my YouTube channel in case you're new here. Hi, I'm Rachel, nice to meet you. Consider subscribing at the risk of your sanity. So in our last episode, nilikuwa ninatoka ushago. I have just arrived. I am exhausted, tired and hungry. But let us unbox the modenzio that my parents have given me. Listen, my parents are the cool parents that I think they are. Just look at the tender love and care. Just check about chini. One. This is how you know it's been so thought out. How do you have pink scissors in your house? The question is, how do you not have pink scissors in your house? Get it together. Ooh. One chicken. Ilichinjiwa kuku asubuhi. Here it is. We're gonna wash that up and cut it up and put it in the freezer. They are from my dad's farm. My dad sells oranges, both the pixie oranges, the ones with the little circle, and then the big oranges. If you want to buy in big chunks, or if you're around Makueni, close to Itangi Nemali there, you can hit me up on my DM and then we can do biashara together. Sindo? Yeah.
Me feel so nice. You're my water when I'm stuck in the desert. You're the Tylenol I take when my head hurts. You're the sunshine of my life. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow. No matter how far. If life is a movie, then you're the best part.
The next day.
Good morning, happy Monday. I just left work. You see my corporate outfit. I'm going for the open day for Stanford and University of Virginia and whichever university that's going to be there. This is just a last minute link that I've been sent by a friend of mine. And you know, if you want to go and get education abroad, you might as well go to these forums and see what it is, the application process looks like and everything in between. And how are you going to go through life without getting a Stanford sweatshirt or a Berkeley sweatshirt or a Harvard sweatshirt? I mean, remember, every time you subscribe, a kitten gets a home. So think of the kittens and subscribe. Some Uber guy wanted to like scam me of some money. Kumbe hata nilikuwa nimefika. So let's go and see what this cool things is about. For a second I had gotten lost. I still don't know where. Hi, is this the reception?
Heading out as a leader, that's kind of exciting thing to be thinking that we're about accomplishing all of these things.
The consulting club to the running club that goes on runs at 7 a.m. every morning.
Teach you to be both. We also believe that there is no, this is in addition to that need-based aid for our Thank you, Christian, and I hope you guys enjoyed learning a little bit more about.
Hey, editing Rachel here. So my phone died. I had to get it fixed. So I didn't have content for the rest of the week. But I'm just gonna put some videos of me gallivanting around, just to end this vlog. I really hope you really enjoyed it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next week. Always remember that God made only one of you, and that should tell you something. Bye.